Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Here we are again. Yeah. So I'm gonna be going. What am I talking about? This is another episode of training. So I'm just gonna do some more training. Oh, come on. I'm gonna do some more training with Storm, and I'm gonna do a race with him later. And I'm gonna get a new horse. Yeah, we're just gonna level up his strength and trying to get that star. That is the one star that always shows up, and all the others don't. Like, how? I don't know, I'm just gonna practice on myself. Like, jump in, because I can't click. Or if it, what the hell? I didn't mean to do that. I just jumped and then I fell off. Where isn't my horse moving? I'm gonna go get a new horse because I'm getting sick of you, Storm. I don't want you. I need to get a new horse. If I even have enough monies. Actually, I do. Anyway, where's a buying horse thing? I just think I walked past it. It's right here. Storm just done there. Yes. What up, blue? You are gonna be mine. Yes, you're a female for you. I don't want another boy. You have been sent to your store. Ooh. Yeah, we're gonna go. And I only have 353. Great. I was gonna use my money to buy a saddle, because I'm riding bareback. Anyway, guess we don't need that now. Yes, here's our beautiful stable. Oh. Look at it. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love you. You're mine. Little baby. Baby horsey. Oh, come on. We're gonna name you. Do you know what I'm gonna name you? Like, cutie. Should I name you Buttons? Should I call you, I'm stuck. Brownie? Snow White? Okay, I'm stuck. So, right, what am I gonna call her? Buttons. Button. No. I'm gonna call her Buttons for now. Guys, comment below if you have any ideas because I'm lost. Let's do some training on you, Buttons. Like, I can't believe I only have 3 horses. I've been playing this game for a couple of weeks. Okay, so guys, let me explain what's going on. So I'm gonna do a video tomorrow, and then the next day I'm kinda ill. So I'm gonna be going on holiday then. Buttons, you okay? Anyway, I think a bit lost. I'm freaking glitching out. Buttons! That's better. Okay, so tomorrow I'm good. I guess I'll be able to film a video then. I didn't even mean to go on my horse, but we did. And on Saturday, wow, things are going wrong. I'm going on holiday, so I'm missing a week of school. Cool. But anything, I'm going to a different country, and I'm not sure I'm going to be able to film in there, because I'm going to be busy. I'm going to be busy going to the zoo, swimming. It's going to be really hot out there. And then, I'm going to be busy with my family. That's so. You guys, he's got you now. Yes, the stars! You're back to me. You're back to me. I love you, game. This game is the best. Yes, we're getting strong, boy. Sorry, I mean girl. I kind of wish that you were a boy now, but never mind. Boy horses are always lazy sometimes. My favorite. My favourite horse made me fall off. She always bolts, and you know why she's my favourite? Did that guy just shoot me? Hit him. Do it at him. Do it at him. Do it at him. Yeah, him. Yeah, that guy, he's such a guy. You have to see, I can do jiu-jitsu. I'm amazing at taekwondo, and I'm not. I can lift my leg really high. Daddy says so. Anyway, why? This is why I should not eat chocolate pudding anymore. I'm joking, I never do. This is why I never should have friends round and go on my computer, because then we always just eat half chewing gum and we spit it out in here. It makes my keyboard so sticky. That's why they were playing steeplechase. That will level up buttons. Buttons. Sorry, Butty. Come on, Butty. Buttons. I think I'm glitching out. Okay, we're gonna win this, hopefully. Let's show other people. Make the sleep. I'm joking. That's cheating. Why don't they take... Oh, I'm racing against 3 people. That's the first. I'm usually racing against 150. Yeah, I'm winning. I feel like I'm gonna win this. If I don't, that shows that my keyboard is really sticky. Yeah, my keyboard's really sticky. Bacon hair dude's beating me. Wow. I should have known. Yeah, level 1 horse isn't the best to do steeplechase. I don't get this. Isn't steeplechase when you're meant to, it's basically like it, you know? Why are we basically doing a race but with jumps in it? And these aren't like proper horse jumps that you would do in real life and like I would do. Because I actually ride horses and I've done it and I've seen it. So, like, I guess I'm not saying this is wrong because... What the hell? Okay, at least did I actually... If you hurt your horse and you come first place. Yes! Me bonus points. Okay, why are we still in level 1? I thought you'd level 1. You know, okay. I don't mean it, what happened, you know, buttons. You gotta listen to what I'm telling you to do. Like, people say that horses can't buck you up in this game, but I'm pretty sure they have because they've done it to me. They buck. It's crazy. You don't have to believe me if you don't want. Like, you have to buy a first aid kit. I've already bought one, so why do I have to keep buying it? My horse is fine. I'm glad to hear that. Yeah, it's fine. Look, I can just simply ride buttons and then just say, your horse is hurt, your horse is hurt. It's not hurt. If it was hurt, then how am I galloping on buttons? Right, cantering, basically. I'm cantering on gallop. Oh, no, I'm galloping. I'm galloping on buttons, and there's nothing wrong with her. Sorry, I keep calling you him. Oh, you know, you look more than that. Okay, whatever. Yeah. So my horse really isn't hurt. My horse should get hurt. I just crashed into a fence there. and that apparently doesn't affect the horse. Like, eh. Haha, you got starter horse there. Look at me with my beautiful horse just rocking out. Look at you rocking out. Have a seat. Well, that's if my horse's strength wouldn't increase if it was hurt. So let's say that Buttons, she isn't hurt. So this game needs to freaking. Oh, that's a shame. Stop lying to me. That's such a shame. Should I just ignore this? You okay? Okay, you're good now. Come on, old horsey. Whip you out. Whip! Come on, little girl. Okay, fine. We're gonna go waste our money on some. Do you want me to like fall off or something, Buttons? Because that isn't helping, if you ask me. Yes, we're gonna go to get that freaking first aid kit. And then I have it there. And once I've used it, it's gonna be gone. In my other video, I bought one and I didn't even use it. I'm so forgetful. And then after that, my horse is fine. So if you buy the first aid kit, not even use it, I think that. Sorry, I'm gonna skip the rest. I think that you don't even have to use it; it just still counts if you buy it. My horse is apparently hurt. It should be so much cheaper on this game. How come food is like only 10 and that's 30? Like, dear me. Here you go, Buttons. I didn't expect you to get hurt. What the? If you click, look, it says you can't do this while riding. Exactly. How come I could do first aid kit? Buttons, why aren't you doing what I'm telling you to do? Come on, come on, come on! I'm trying to get you to do what I need to do, and now you're listening. No. Where are you going? Okay. Move that way, that way. Okay, that's not where I told you to go, but whatever. That way, thank you. You just saw that. It just suddenly went. We're gonna go in one of these little arenas. Why? Why? Why did you have to? Okay, I understand. You want to be a professional. But Buttons, you're a starter and you're not a professional. I thought good things of you. And you know what you do, Buttons? You disappoint me. But actually, you know better than Storm. I actually think Caramel is the most well-trained. And she's a starter. Like, I thought that if you bought one of these horses, they would be actually better than those other ones. But actually, I just think it's how they look. You know, like, we've been wasting my money. Hang on a sec. Are you that girl I saw this morning? No, it's not the same person. Because they have the same horse, so I was like, wait a sec. Yeah, no. So anyway, come on. You gotta move. Like, what even tech do I have? You know, because right now you don't have anything on. You don't even have. How am I controlling him? I mean, her. I don't even have any reins. Like, yeah, pink bridle. Cutie. Why did I just get rid of that? How'd you go with that? Oh, play that